Have you ever wondered what it would be like if Dad made the videos every day? Wonder no more. I present Dad Day.
Hold your breath. Make a wish. Count to 3.
This is it. Today's the day. I apologize ahead of time.
It's whatever the date.
This is Kenzie's outfit. It's whatever the date.
No,
Doesn't she look so cute?
Say the date.
It's December 5th, right?
I don't know.
Wasn't that fascinating?
Yes.
Hey guys. So this is Dad's 11:30 check-in. I know a lot of you have been wondering, why are you guys so wrinkly? It's because we haven't gotten Botox in a minute.
Almost 2 years.
We're going right now. Our appointment's in 10 minutes.
Yes.
And we're gonna freeze these faces.
No. Okay, so last time, how many did you get? Dad's only ever gotten Bobo right here.
I get 27 here.
Oh, we're both wearing green. And I usually get 12 here and 12 here, and that's it. But today I'm gonna get her opinion on what she thinks I should get more, and then I'm gonna do some in the forehead. So we are a full disclosure podcast. I mean, full disclosure vlog. I just feel like I hear that a lot. And so we're gonna tell you everything we get, and Dad might even video the process. We'll see. Oh, and who has the biggest fear of needles? I need to make a fact video about that. You're afraid of needles.
Terrified.
Anything that you have to close out your thing? I'm like his teacher today. I'm his advisor.
Come along. Oh, we'll do a sound effect.
But I'll keep your same one. Yeah, when Shivani sends me
Isn't she so precious? Look at this
stuff, they're not
baby.
sending their best.
Oh, really? Yeah, they don't sound very
no
good.
different than yeah, like also
Thanks.
Popper didn't go to the bathroom.
Oh, slay. All right. In 4 minutes, we will be injected with Botox.
I'm scared. Actually, no, I'm not scared. I don't mind at all, and I don't even mind the little red pokies after the fact.
No,
The show must go on, so Dad, you're gonna be fine.
Yeah, I was terrified last time because I'd never had it done before.
He's over in the corner. I remember sitting in the chair in my denim jacket, and I look over and I see.
Yes. Oh, and the sweet lady doing it, she was all like being so
She was
kind
like,
to me.
close your eyes, little Bryan, and you'll get to visit the treasure box after. Anything else that you want to say before you close out your video, Dad?
You know, I used to be really, really, really anti anything.
Oh my God, I wanted to
Like-
get Botox till I was like 33, and he was like, no.
Oh, I was so
Right.
against it. And then I was like, I don't like this. How do I fix this little thing? And the only way to fix anything, don't believe the creams, don't
Oh my
believe
God.
the lotions.
But-
They help.
They do.
The only thing that actually does anything is this, which sucks. But
You're gonna get like a
You know.
skin influencer cussing you out.
if it's true, it's true, it's true.
You're a true lover. Okay, here we go. See you after. Okay, we're in here. It's almost time. Bye-bye, wrinkles. No more.
Hey y'all, we are bumpy. We're not quite fresh
Oh,
yet.
am I? I haven't
We'll
looked in the
check
mirror.
back in. I don't know. We'll look in
How
the
did
car.
you feel, Dad, from your thing?
I feel good. Yeah, last time I was like almost about to pass out in the car. Okay, let's check it. Oh my God. This last
Oh,
time.
I'm pokey. We're gonna keep the glasses on.
Dun,
I did.
Dun, dun.
Wait, what did she do? End up doing here for me? 11?
I don't remember.
I think she did 11 on each side of the eye, and I got 4 in my forehead. Dad, what did you get?
I got more than that, right?
21.
21. But it was all like
What is
right
that
here.
thing called? The thing between your eyebrows?
11s.
No, what is that little thing called? The
Eyebrow.
no, between the eyebrows. It's called like a something.
don't know. No, I'm still learning here, guys. I'm like taking pictures of myself instead of videoing. But Dee and I are starving, and we have some errands to run. So we're gonna go get, what's it called? Jersey Mike.
Jersey Town.
We are sharing a giant roast beef and provolone. I've never had it before.
It looks good and it smells fabulous. This is Dee Dee. I'm breaking dad filming day rule because Dad, step over to your left. Sweetheart, it's so pretty.
Isn't this just the prettiest time of year? We only get it for like 2 weeks. We are pretty leafing. What is that panting noise?
A dog.
Dee Dee, what else are we doing today?
Oh, you're recording. Dad, our little boy. We're gonna get bro from school today. She's got dance. You and me might do some Christmassy things while she's at dance, run some errands.
Can we stop and get WD-40?
I suppose.
We need to. Like, a few weeks ago, Dee Dee got out of the car and his door went and it was like a horror movie sound.
And that's character.
I have no idea what happened there, but we're gonna fix that.
Hey, it's me, Dad.
Hey, it's me, Dad.
Oh my gosh, now I can talk. Okay, look, isn't this so pretty? The leaves. Album cover.
Daddy and Dee Dee on a walk.
Dad, say something about that Santa that I would say.
You would say he's a sleigh.
No, I would say, hi Santa, love you.
Oh. Dee Dee, are you stressed about Vlogmas?
On Sunday night, I woke up at 4 a.m. My heart was pounding because I felt overwhelmed, but now I'm good.
And yes, he's working non-stop. No, he does stop. He does stop. But a lot on all these Vlogmas videos. I'm so proud of him.
Thank you.
We are welcome.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Welcome
This
to
is
Dad's
a
show.
Dad check-in. It is 3:35 and we're about to go pick up our daughter from school. And tomorrow, well, tonight, St. Nicholas is coming. Today. Tonight, St. Nicholas is coming tonight. So we have to make sure that Kenzie's, shoe is all like shiny and everything. And
You put
get
your
it all
shoe-
cleaned up. Oh, St. Nicholas. So you put your shoe out, your best shoe. You put your best shoe out, and St. Nicholas comes and takes your list from inside your shoe, and then he leaves you a little treat, a little toy, some candy, and that's happening tonight. So we're really excited about it. Kenzie's really excited about it. She probably forgot about it. And then what else are we doing today, Dee Dee?
Just some random errands.
Yeah, just some random errands. Maybe surrounding that topic. Maybe not. Dee, come show off for the camera. This is what Dee Dee's ensemble is for the day.
I have a line down my face from falling asleep on my pillow, and I'm feeling very Botoxic. I love you.
Really difficult. We are going to the grocery store, and we are going to get a couple of ingredients to make dinner and to have easier breakfast situations.
What do you need to
at
tell your
6:30
daughter
in the
that you
morning.
got done today?
It's so important that you know this. We got Botox.
Do you want to see my scabs? So anyways, guys, my scabbies are gone. Anything else that you want to say in your video now that you're making?
Nope. Was your day slay?
Yes.
Did you have homework?
No.
I don't know if any of you have ever watched the Paris in Love show, but what does Dee Dee do?
He does like little trotting runs.
He does like a unicorn trot. Let's see if we can. No.
So I thought we could put
Holgate family brainstorming session. You can keep talking.
He's doing his story.
This is my job today. And I'm not good with the camera.
I thought we could.
Hold it right there.
Let's go see what Dad's doing. So we're having a chicken Caesar salad and tomato soup for dinner. And mine is like semi-homemade. You know that show? Remember Sandra Lee? Yeah. And she's like always drinking on her show and it's like 10 a.m. Love that. What did Dad make for dinner? Oh look, it's that same salad plus some soup.
Thank you.
And gigantic crunchy croutons. What's the date? The 5th. 1.
Could you not listen
2.
to Dad's voice all day? Wait, come on, we have another surprise. candy canes.
One more glass. Oh my god, this one's my favorite. What's your favorite ornament?
I don't know, that's too hard.
Mine is
Mary
Ariel
Poppins.
in the bed right here next to this mirror.
We are going to... Okay, just don't knock them off because Winnie will not survive.
We're giving our bodies a day off from Christmas pajamas to be comfortable. Hanging these on Dad's grills. And Dad, tell Kenzie what we're gonna play.
We're gonna play Mario Kart as a family.
We are?
Yeah. And then maybe if there's a little bit of time, we could watch like a little episode of something or what else.
A little touch here and there is always.
I know, I like... Dad, you were the one that taught me to put candy canes on the candy tree. How did we feel that Dad did making videos today? Kenzie, you'll just have to wait and see. Holding the camera now. Dad, how did it feel to be me today?
It was stressful. It gave me... I know all the things you do because we spend 22 hours together every day.
We do.
But to actually do it myself,
Oh, my shoes.
it would be like if I was like, okay, you have to cook 3 meals today, you'd be like,
No thanks. I would be that. See you later.
It's family night, and instead of watching some silly Christmas movie, we're playing Mario Kart. We're taking it back to COVID times. Alexa, shuffle Chromatica.
That's it.
Dad recording day is coming to a close with some Salt Lake housewares, a glass of wine, and a freshly opened bag of Doritos after eating our salad dinner. And we had salad for dinner, literally.
It's salad.
What is better than a freshly opened bag? This is my absolute favorite thing.
Okay, but are they
Childhood
adding-
icon for me.
Are they adding a drunk filter to their voices? Do you hear that?
No, it's housewives. They're drunk and they're on vacation.
This is funny.